Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel, the Aman. So today I'm discussing about two hiring opportunities. So first of all, I'll discuss about executive Power BI. Okay. After that, I'll discuss about software engineering analyst and associate role. Okay, guys. So before discussing all of the two opportunities, you can see here, guys. This is my channel. So if you didn't subscribe it yet, so please subscribe this channel and you can follow me on LinkedIn, okay, and you can also follow me here Instagram. All the link provided in description box. So guys, please follow me there and subscribe this channel. So let's get started. So guys, you can see here, this is the Power BI role, okay. Then location is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. This is the JD part, okay, about KPMG India. So read it carefully. Then now scroll down. You can see here Associate Consultant Power BI role, equal employment opportunity information. Okay, guys. This is the qualification for this role. Okay. So you can see here BE, B.Tech, postgraduate. Okay. So you have these degrees, then you can apply for the job. Click over the apply now icon. Okay. Then this is the job info. You can read here job identification. Okay. Posting date, job schedule, full time. Okay, guys. So read all the details carefully, then apply for the job. I'll provide the link in description box. You can apply from there. Then now I am discussing about software engineering profile analyst associate. So you can see here Bangalore, Karnataka, India location. This is the job info, job identification 139088. This is the job category, posting date, location, and this is the JD part. So read it all of the information carefully. Then you can see here job summary. So here company mentioned at multiple point. So read it carefully. And now I'll discuss about basic qualification. So you can read here minimum 1 year of progressive technical work experience. Okay, guys. So if you are fresher, then you can't apply for the job, and you have 1 year of experience and 2 year of experience and 3 year of experience, then you can apply for the job. You are eligible. Okay. Then here you can see here at least one programming languages such as Python, Java, C++. Okay. You should have knowledge about this programming language, one programming language like Python, Java, C++, and knowledge about aptitude for algos, DSA, and software design, and operating system Linux, okay, networking concept. So read it all the information carefully. And now you can see here preferred qualification, experience with distributed system design, maintenance, and troubleshooting, okay, hands-on experience, knowledge of financial marketing, fixed protocol knowledge, okay. Then more information you can read from here. Okay, scroll it and read it all the information carefully. Then apply for this job. Also click over the apply now icon. I'll provide this link in description box. You can apply from there all the two opportunities. Okay, guys. So that's all about today video. If this video is really helpful for you, so please like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Till then, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in next video.